Hello guys, we are here today to give you some tips on how to have a healthy mind and body. Save life, save Mother Earth.
The sky is blue, cold and silent.
Hello guys, this is how our project started.
First, I need the help of my father to cut the bottles as of my plan. Because as a kid, it is dangerous for us to use cutter or knives.
is quiet, my mind on you. You fill the space with pure amazement and fear of failing in something new. 'Cause everything has changed already, hasn't it?
These are the materials that we needed.
So much for slow and steady, but I'll go with it. I haven't even met you yet.
After I brought the materials in school, I asked my members if they like my project plan, and after giving them a sweet smile, they all agreed.
But I don't wanna make my plans if you're not gonna be a part of them. I was minding my business when the thought of you snuck in. Now I want you to be a part of this. My heart is full of joy and sadness and things resembling a life with you. Should I wait till all is perfect, or should I learn it all from you? And everything has changed already, hasn't it?
But this time, I'm showing how does our project looks like and how to assemble it. Due to the typhoon and we don't have classes, I will continue our project because we are lack of time using some of the items given by the other members.
So much for slow and steady, but I'll go with it. I haven't even met you yet, but I don't wanna make my plans if you're not gonna be a part of them. And I was minding my business when the thought of you snuck in. Now I want you to be a part of this. Haven't even met you yet, but I don't wanna make my plans if you're not
This is how our product looks like.
gonna be a part of them. And I was minding my business
Now I'll start painting it.
when the thought of you snuck in. Now I want you to be a part of
After painting, I will let it dry first for the finishing touches.
I'm on the ground again. I don't wanna stand up. I'm closer to giving in every time I end up here. So I breathe just to feel my chest getting bigger, scream loud enough to remind me that I can fight.
Almost done. I will assemble it and show you how to use it. In the little ears, we put sharpeners and erasers. Now, in the smaller head, we put light pencils or colors.
And I will dance, 'cause this spinning is my heartbeat. And I will fly, 'cause the stars are always calling. And my love, yeah, I know that she is waiting. Oh, I'm alive, and that's what I'm living for. I'm on the ground again, in a bed of daisies.
That is now the outcome. We will replace it with a bigger head which you can put heavier items like pencil pens. Also, you can put staplers.
So I take in the oxygen, 'cause I wanna stand like trees. So I breathe just to feel my chest getting bigger, scream loud enough to remind me that I can fight. Oh, and I will dance, 'cause this spinning is my heartbeat. And I will fly, 'cause the stars are always calling. In my love, yeah, I know that she is waiting.
There, it is now done. We can recommend you guys that this product is durable, affordable, and beautiful. Thank you guys for watching our vlog. We hope you learned something from this video, and this is our DIY pencil stand came from recyclable plastic bottles. Guys, the used plastic bottles are the majority of our materials, and I got it here in this area. It is more important for us to recycle these items rather than throw them away in the trash or anywhere else. Save lives, save Mother Earth. Thank you, teachers, for letting us do this vlog project.